Chengdu, the capital of Sichuan province in southwestern China, is known for its rich history that dates back over 2,300 years. It is often referred to as the land of abundance due to its fertile plains and favorable climate, which supports diverse agriculture. Chengdu is famous for its spicy cuisine, particularly the use of Sichuan peppercorns, which create a unique numbing sensation. The city is home to the giant panda, and the Chengdu research base of giant panda breeding is a major conservation center for these endangered animals. Chengdu has a vibrant tea house culture, where locals gather to sip tea, play mahjong, and socialize, often in lush parks. The city features a mix of modern architecture and ancient landmarks, such as the Wuhou Shrine, dedicated to the famous warlord Zhuge Liang. Chengdu is one of the few cities in China with a well-preserved historical district, known as Quanzhai Alley, showcasing traditional architecture and culture. The city is a major economic hub in western China, with a rapidly growing tech industry and a thriving business environment. Chengdu is home to the Sichuan Opera, famous for its face-changing performances and unique storytelling methods. The city boasts a rich cultural heritage, with numerous museums, including the Chengdu Museum and the Sichuan Science and Technology Museum. Chengdu has been designated as a UNESCO City of Gastronomy, highlighting its culinary significance and traditional cooking techniques. The Jinsha Site Museum, located in Chengdu, houses artifacts from the ancient Shu civilization, including gold and jade items. Chengdu's public transportation includes an extensive metro system, which makes it easy to navigate the city and surrounding areas. The city hosts the annual Chengdu International Panda Festival, celebrating the beloved giant panda and raising awareness for their conservation. Chengdu has a subtropical highland climate, characterized by mild winters and hot, humid summers, making it a comfortable place to live year-round. The city's nightlife is vibrant, with numerous bars, nightclubs, and live music venues that cater to a variety of tastes. Chengdu is a significant center for traditional Chinese medicine, with many practitioners and clinics offering herbal remedies and acupuncture. The city has a growing expat community, drawn by job opportunities and the cultural richness that Chengdu offers. Chengdu has a rich literary history, with many famous poets and writers hailing from the region, including the Tang Dynasty poet Li Bai. The city is a major transportation hub, with Chengdu Shuangliu International Airport serving as one of the busiest airports in China. Chengdu is known for its beautiful parks, such as People's Park and Wanawaxi Park, where residents enjoy outdoor activities and relaxation. The city's economy is bolstered by its proximity to natural resources, including natural gas and mineral deposits. Chengdu's local dialect, a variant of Mandarin, is known for its distinct pronunciation and vocabulary, making it unique within China. The city is also recognized for its contribution to the arts, with various galleries and exhibitions showcasing contemporary and traditional works. Chengdu is considered one of the best places to experience the traditional Chinese tea culture, with numerous tea houses offering various brews. The city's proximity to the Tibetan Plateau makes it a gateway for travelers heading to Tibet and other nearby mountainous regions. Chengdu has a number of ancient temples, including the Desai Temple, which dates back to the 4th century and showcases stunning architecture. The city is a leader in the development of the internet and technology sectors, attracting many startups and tech companies. Chengdu is famous for its hot pot, a communal dining experience where diners cook raw ingredients in a simmering pot of spicy broth. The city celebrates numerous festivals throughout the year, including the Lantern Festival, which features colorful lantern displays and cultural performances. Chengdu is home to several universities and research institutions, making it a center for education and innovation in the region. The city has a diverse population, with various ethnic groups, including Tibetans, Yi, and Chang, contributing to its cultural richness. Chengdu has a thriving film industry and has been a filming location for numerous Chinese films and television dramas. The city is known for its picturesque landscapes, including the nearby Mount Qinchen, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a center for Taoism. Chengdu's nightlife is complemented by local street food markets that offer a wide variety of snacks and dishes. The city is often regarded as one of the most livable cities in China, known for its relaxed pace of life and friendly atmosphere. Chengdu has been involved in efforts to promote sustainable development, focusing on environmental conservation and green initiatives. The city is a prominent center for the study of Sichuan cuisine, with culinary schools offering courses for aspiring chefs. Chengdu's economy is diversified, with industries ranging from manufacturing to finance and tourism. The city has a rich folklore tradition, with various myths and legends that are celebrated in local festivals and performances. Chengdu is known for its unique architecture, blending traditional Chinese styles with modern design elements. The city has a significant coffee culture, with numerous cafes and roasteries that cater to coffee enthusiasts. Chengdu offers various shopping experiences, from traditional markets to high-end shopping malls featuring international brands. The city is a major center for international trade, hosting numerous trade fairs and exhibitions throughout the year. Chengdu is well connected to other major cities in China, making it an ideal base for exploring Western China and beyond. The city's rich agricultural surroundings contribute to its local food scene, with fresh produce and ingredients readily available. Chengdu hosts many art and cultural festivals, including the Chengdu International Music Festival, showcasing local and international talent. The city has a strong sense of community, with many residents actively participating in local events and initiatives. Chengdu is home to several historic streets, such as Jinli Ancient Street, which is lined with shops, restaurants, and traditional architecture. The city has a rich textile history, with traditional silk production still thriving in local workshops.